While we are talking about functions, I want to introduce a couple of additional concepts in Dart. And the first one is called optional parameters. By the way, I will use the term parameter and argument to mean the same thing. So as far as we are concerned, parameters and arguments are the same thing. Okay, so the way we can define an optional parameter in Dart is by declaring it within square brackets. So in this example, I could choose to make the height parameter optional by declaring it within square brackets, just like this. And what this means is that when I call the describe method, I can omit the third argument if I want to. And I can run the code just like this. And as you can see, the first line in the console says, "Hello, I'm Andrea, I'm 34 years old, and I'm null meters tall." So what does null mean? Null is a special keyword in Dart, which is used when a variable doesn't have a value. So in this case, I'm not passing in the height when I call the describe the first time, and as a result, the height argument inside the describe method has a value of null. So in other words, null means no value. Now, since we have defined the height argument to be optional, what we could do is to define a default value that is used every time we don't pass a value. And the way we do this is by going to the parameter declaration, and then we can add equals, space, and then a value, for example 0.0 in this case, and we can run the code again, and this time we can read, "Hello, I'm Andrea, I'm 34 years old, and I'm 0 meters tall." So because we have not passed the height parameter to the describe method, then as a result it takes the value 0.0, which is the default value. On the second line instead, we pass a height of 1.76, and we can see that on the console this value is printed. So in summary, default values are useful when we want to provide sensible defaults to parameters that are optional, and we will see more in detail how to use them in this course. So let's put back the height parameter, and we can continue on the next video.